Thank you. Alright guys, what's up? It's Mariah. So for today's vlog, it'll probably be short. Today is a rest-ish day. I'm actually here in EPCOT by myself because my family wanted to just chill, and so I chilled for a little bit for the first half of the day, and I decided to come in to EPCOT to take some pictures and do some shopping and maybe ride a couple of things, maybe meet a character and try some things from Food and Wine. So I figured I would do all that within a few hours. I think I can. I've already done some shopping, so that will be in a oh no, you're good. That will be in a video coming up, Disney haul. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for now, and I'll catch y'all later. Alright guys, I'm in line to meet Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy, I believe. So just wanted to, I haven't met any characters this trip. So last trip was all about characters. Like I met a ton of characters, but I'm gonna meet Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy. So come along with me. Alright, meeting all those characters, guys, made me work up a thirst. So let's see which one I want to try. Oops. We'll try Thailand. Good on a hot day. Why am I back here again? I am back getting mine in foreign again. Yeah. Can y'all tell how much I love this ride? Yeah. Just take a guess in the comments. Guess how much I love this ride. Alright, I'm about to get this loaded mac and cheese from Active Eat. So excited. Alright guys, so I got the mac and cheese from Active Eats, and this is what it looks like. It looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think it has bacon and scallions. So I'm a mac and cheese connoisseur, in case y'all didn't know. I love mac and cheese, so let's see how it is.
You go out this way.
Yeah, that's really good. That's good, guys. I feel like people are staring at me, but it's fine. Yum. Yum. Yeah, this is amazing. It's got a smoky flavor, like spicy, but it's really good. I would highly recommend it if you come to EPCOT's Food and Wine Festival. Get the mac and cheese if you love mac and cheese. It's very cheesy too. Good. Okay guys, so I got the Impossible Burger at Earth Eats, and this is what it looks like. It has like wasabi cream on it and like some Asian slaw on top. We're about to find out how it is. Wow. That's really different. It's really good. I really like it, actually. It's definitely got an Asian taste to it, but it's really good. I would definitely. Okay. Even though it has wasabi cream on it, it's not that spicy, but it's really good. I would highly recommend to get this too. So yes. All right guys, so I've taken a few photo pass photos. Okay, son. Yeah, I think the last time I checked in with you guys was when I was eating some stuff at Food and Wine, so I took some photos. This has just been a chill day. Like, I used to think that doing solo trips to Disney is something I wouldn't do. I would do a solo trip anywhere else, but I just felt like, you know, Disney, you should experience it with someone, which is true. I still think that, but I really like just being here and just doing what I want to do and just taking it easy. Like, it's really nice. Yeah, don't ever feel like when you come to Disney that you have to do everything, because number one, you're not going to. But yeah, this is just nice, just sitting here and listening to the background music, people watching. Like, nothing compares to that. Like, wow, this is just, it's great. I am very happy right now. I think right now I'm going to try to get on Frozen Ever After. I'm just gonna wait in line for it because the fast passes are gone. And then maybe meet Anna and Elsa. I don't know. I'm still debating on that. I want to wait in line for that. And then, yeah, maybe get a couple other things from World Showcase. I'm gonna do some shopping for sure before I leave, and I'm probably gonna watch Illuminations. I got a fast pass for that, so because I want a good spot. I want to actually be able to see this time. So yeah, that is it. I'll check y'all later.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. You're going to Elsa's Ice Palace.